Now look, I have seen my PLC in my network, and from there, when I say 192.168.0.1, I have seen my PLC. I have seen it. However, look, I will come to that setting again, and I will open the TIA portal again, and I am now in where my PLC is. That, like I said, will provide us this. Let's say that you don't have TIA portal. The system crashed and the PLC crashed, and you want to see the crash. You want to intervene those crashes, friends. In order to do that, you can sit on your coworker's computer, or use any device that has internet connection, and connect to the network via the IP of your PLC, and you can see your PLC status online. I have connected my PLC to the network. Now the switch, the PLC or my PC may be in some other location. However, they are all in the same local network. Now is this clear? Now as you can see, I can only see this. However, I will go there again, we will go there, and we are in the user management section, and you will authorize users in this section. This says everybody, therefore everybody can see these options. I mean everybody in the local network can see the status of the PLC by entering the IP address into the address bar. However, let's say that I don't want everyone in the local network to see the status of my PLC. So I will hire an engineer for that. And let us enter his username and password. So I want to give authorities to that engineer, or rather, for example, for this instance, just give him the authorization to flash the LEDs, for example. So let me enter his password as 12345, and here I gave the engineer authorization after entering his password. So let's continue. Well, actually it seems a little bit harsh for the engineer, but this is just an example, of course. Now I will right click again, I will say download the device and select the hardware and software setting. I will say load, and after that I will say finish. And now let me open my screen, let me open it. Okay, now I have opened my screen, or rather I have connected to the network. So I have entered the IP. And friends, now how will I see the authority that I gave to the engineer just before? Now in the end, I have him a username and password, so I will enter them here. The username is the engineer, just engineer, and let us write this password, which is 12345. So I will say login, and as you can see, the authorization of flashing the LEDs appeared below. This page opened. The page in which the engineer has authorization has opened. Now I will bring my camera so you may see it. And when I say flash LEDs here, this engineer can flash the LEDs as he has the authority to do so. You can see it. I will press this again and the flashes turn on. I will say logout and we are in the main page which everyone can see.